Hello and welcome to another video from the Night Hunter. In this video you will see dual footage from a thermal and a night vision scope taken from the double shooting platform. This video was sponsored by Johan Dria Tours. If you love seeing Africa, imagine experiencing it in real life. Johan Dria offers intimate, private tours for small groups of 4 to 6 friends or family in the iconic Kruger National Park. Personal, exclusive, unforgettable. The owner and manufacturer of the Fortune Field slugs is joining me for this hunt. Unfortunately, Stephen was a bit late with recording his first jackal. The footage on the left was recorded with a Pard Night Stalker X, while the footage on the right was recorded with a Marsh NT1000 LRF. The Pard Night Stalker X is an infrared night vision telescope, while the Marsh NT1000 is a thermal scope. Except for the last minute of the video, you will see synchronized footage of both scopes of the same jackal. The first shot was a cool shot with a follow-up shot just to end the jackal quicker. The clarity of both scopes are excellent. While looking through the scope when you are hunting, as well as the video footage afterwards. With the night vision telescope, you can see the horizontal and angled laser beams of both scopes' rangefinders. If you are hunting or shooting with an air rifle, you need to know the exact distance to be accurate. Therefore, I prefer the telescope where you can actually see the rangefinder and be sure of your range before you shoot. For me, I prefer the night vision scope instead of the thermal vision scope because I can be sure of the range. That said, the thermal scope is superior to the night vision scope for spotting your prey at night. The squeaky toy did not trigger this jackal's interest enough to get it closer. Both scopes give you an X on the Y-axis as your aiming point according to the ballistic calculator. Unfortunately, an annoying feature of both scopes is that not one of them gives you the actual range next to the rangefinder or the aiming point after the aiming point was calculated. Again, my friend was just a little bit late on pressing his record button. In this footage, you can see that both calculators give the same aiming point for the same distance. Unfortunately, although you can see a square for the laser rangefinder on the NT1000, you cannot see that on the video footage. The NT1000's laser is on the jackal and not the crosshair because Steven is taking the distance with the laser rangefinder. It may seem as if the jackal is not staying in the center of the field of view because we are moving the shooting chair to keep the jackal in the center of our aiming field. If I am shooting alone, I use the thermal scope to spot. After spotting the jackal and identifying it, I use the night vision scope on the rifle to shoot. Something else about the night vision scope that I like is the fact that you can actually see the bullet traveling through the air. After shooting the jackals and retrieving them, a thermal scope or a handheld thermal is a great help. While we are out here comparing night vision and thermal, thanks again for your Andrea tours. Remember, the real magic of Africa is best experienced up close. Andrea creates private safaris designed just for your small group. No crowds, just you and wild Africa.